Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to start with chapter number 2 of this book, First Flight, textbook in English for class 10th. We have already started this book and I have already covered the first chapter, A Letter to God, and we have covered 2 poems also from this chapter. Now, today, I am going to start with the second chapter, that is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. So that's the name of the chapter. First of all, I would like to tell you that Nelson Mandela was the president of South Africa. He was chosen as the president of South Africa and he was a very aggressive president who fought against apartheid. Yes, so we are going to talk about apartheid in this chapter. And before you start reading this chapter, I would like to tell you about apartheid. What is apartheid? Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Means the whites and the non-white people are kept separate from each other, and this was practiced in South Africa. And Nelson Mandela spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid, and Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison and finally demand elections. They were held in South Africa in 1994, and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. So basically in this extract is from his autobiography. What do you mean by autobiography? When a person writes about himself by his own, that is known as autobiography. So it is an extract from his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, and Mandela speaks about a historic occasion, that is the inauguration on 10th May 1994. So basically, South Africa remained under the British rule for more than 3 centuries. Since 1948, a very cruel policy of apartheid was followed by the white rulers. According to this policy, white and non-white people were kept separate from each other. They were educated under separate systems and were kept in or out of certain areas. The blacks of Africa bitterly opposed such racial discrimination. At last, after a long struggle, democratic elections were held in which Nelson Mandela was elected the first black president of South Africa on May 10, 1994. Mandela was sworn in as the president, and there were wild jubilations among the blacks of the country. So in this chapter, Mandela recalls briefly how this day was celebrated and what his feelings were at the time of those celebrations. The whole history of the South African struggle and also the history of his own life came alive before his imagination. He pays a tribute to thousands of South African patriots who suffered endlessly and sacrificed their lives for the cause of freedom. He calls himself merely the sum of all those patriots who have gone before him. In spite of all those sacrifices, Mandela bears no ill will against the whites. He says that the oppressor is as much a prisoner as the oppressed. The oppressor remains chained to hatred. On the other hand, oppressed one gains height in character in proportion to the depths of torture he is subjected to. Mandela makes another important observation. He says that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over fear. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Mandela's sufferings had indeed made him a man of courage and character. So basically, we are going to read about Nelson Mandela who fought against this apartheid which existed in South Africa, which means racial discrimination between the whites and the non-whites. So we are going to start this chapter in our next video. So I hope you have understood the brief summary of the chapter, and now it will be easier for you to recollect the chapter through reading. So thank you and have a nice day.